Video, I show you how to increase a picture DPI using Paint. So I open a picture, then Properties, then click DPI, click Details. Here show horizontal and vertical DPI 96. Now I increase this DPI size using PowerPoint. So open this picture using Paint, then click File, then Properties. Here I increase. Okay. Now I crop this picture. Crop. A file. Save as. Save. Now check this picture. Properties. Details. Here I find increase DPI. Previously 96. Now 144. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.